Today we're going to talk about in-video programming coming to mobile devices, as well as video coming to Instagram and what I think about that. That's coming up. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer and it's Tuesday, which means that we are going to take a look at some of the online video news from last week and talk about the implications that it has for us as video creators here on YouTube. The big announcement from YouTube last week is that in-video programming is coming to mobile devices. They say it should be working on the latest version of their iOS and their Android apps for YouTube. A couple assumptions that I'm making about it though is that one, if you are using in-video programming to highlight a specific video on your channel, that is what will appear at the bottom of the video on a mobile device, recommending that people watch that video next. Because we already know that that's a major thing that the One Channel design looks at when it's recommending what to watch next for subscribed users who visit your channel page. Another feature that we currently have on the desktop version of YouTube that's making its way to mobile is the little call to action overlay. If you're not sure what that is, you can use that as an advertiser on YouTube to replace on your videos the little in-display ads that pops up at the beginning. Apparently later this year that feature will be rolled out to everyone so that you can replace that with a clickable little call to action, whether it goes to your website or to your Facebook page or whatever you want that to go to. I'm curious to hear how you guys would use that little in-display ad space. Would you just encourage people to subscribe right away, or do you think it's like a pretty ineffective piece of real estate since everyone just kind of probably closes it automatically? So I'd love to hear what you guys think. Comment below. Last week a new website launched called Sublime, and basically what it looks like to me is Pinterest for YouTubers. We all know that a lot of creators right now are trying to find other ways to monetize their audiences and make money outside of AdSense. A bunch of them got together and launched this to help them do just that. The idea is, as a popular YouTuber, you can post things that you use all the time. Like for me, I could post my camera equipment and the lighting and my computers and software, like anything that I use on a regular basis that you guys might be interested in. I could just link it up there, and if you guys check it out and buy something that I posted there, then I get a commission, kind of an affiliate type of thing, which isn't really anything new. But these guys being YouTubers, I'm sure they will begin to build in more social aspects to the site and make it less of a like, hey, buy this for me website, and more of an interactive community. So video on Instagram is now a thing. What do you guys think? I personally don't really like it. One, I think that 15 seconds is way too long. I liked Vine. I thought like 6.5 seconds was just like perfect. Wasn't too long, wasn't too short. I like that it would just loop. You can do a lot of fun creative things with it. And I don't like it when I'm just scrolling through Instagram looking at pictures and I stop to look at a picture for like a second and then it starts moving and making sound and playing, and I don't really like it. I don't think it executes on mobile video nearly as well as Vine does, but what I think it will do is a lot of people who otherwise wouldn't think of posting a video themselves will now begin to post videos. And overall, I think that is good for mobile and online video adoption in general. And plus, now you guys who are vloggers might not look as weird when you're out there vlogging all by yourself. People are like, oh, he's just making an Instagram video, right? But why did Instagram make this move in the first place? Well, it's because they really need to stay competitive. Vine is actually growing at an enormous rate. In fact, there's still more YouTube videos being shared on Twitter, but Vine's engagement is very close behind YouTube. And all the projections say it's set up to surpass YouTube's engagements. It's already surpassed Instagram as far as sharing is concerned. And so now Instagram's like, hey, this online mobile video thing might be a thing that we should get into just to stay competitive. But thankfully, Vine's not just gonna sit back and take it. Their founders have posted a couple Vines teasing some upcoming new features, and although we can't quite figure out what they all are, it looks like there's going to be categories, probably supplementing hashtags. It looks like there might possibly be some private video messaging built in and other things we don't know, but we're looking forward to that update and see what Vine does to respond to Instagram. What do you think of video on Instagram? How are you guys going to use this? I'm still experimenting with it, figuring out myself. as much as I don't really like it, I will use it, I think, but I feel like most of my mobile video stuff will still be on Vine. But let me know what you guys think about it and how you plan to use it. Put those down there. Thanks, guys. And if this is your first time hanging out, love to have you subscribe. Every Tuesday, we take a look at online video news and talk about what it means for those of us who are video creators. On Wednesdays, we give you guys some YouTube tips, ideas, suggestions, just to help you guys out. And then on Thursdays, we do some Q&A with you guys. This week, we're going to talk about some free video editing software for you guys who are on a really tight budget and give you guys some recommendations for that. So all that's coming up. Subscribe, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. See you then. Bye.